Welcome to Dakota and Family. As you can tell, it's snowing. It's coming down pretty good. This is like our fourth snowstorm this year. How's everybody doing? I'm doing just fine. I'd invite you guys to check out our merch store, and if you'd like to donate to our channel, we do have a PayPal. I'm filming this snowstorm out here without a jacket. It's about 20 degrees. It doesn't feel too bad. I must be getting used to winter. Winter should be over with though next month, and then we'll be into thunderstorms. We love thunderstorms over here at our house. We're watching these people. I do have to get out, unfortunately, and get some dog food for the dog and everything. Dakota's doing just fine. He's got a little cold. I kept him home from school, and they already canceled school anyway. I think my wife just came in. She's trying to mess with the radio and all that. Anyways, watching these people travel in here. It's light fluffy snow. It's not too bad. I'm waiting. Ooh, that's bad brakes. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys something. I'm filming this outside without a coat on. See? Look, 360 video. Alright. It's kind of snowing bad. Here I'm best and bitten. For you local people. I did mention we have a merch store. We have a PayPal account. Alright, this is Jason from Dakota Family. I'll talk to you later.